All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at some more English phonics. So s, and r, and ear. So sun, sand, snail. So sun. Very good. And sand. Sand. Ah, there we are. Sand. Very good. Sand. And snail. Snail. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. And rabbit. Robot. Ruler. So rabbit. There we are. Rabbit. Robot. Robot. There we are. Look at that. Robot. And ruler. 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 Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. And ear, as in near. Near to me. Ear. And E-E-R. Deer. 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 And here. 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 Right here. Yeah. Here is the sun. Here is the sun. How cool is that? Yeah, sun. Yeah. Now, sun, sand, snail, rabbit, robot, ruler, ear, near, ear, deer, ear, here. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.